Wire stripper pliers. These feel really nice in your hand. They actually have a locking mechanism. The locking mechanism is reversible. They cut very nicely. I have a wire here, I'll show you. We'll cut the wire, and you can strip the wire real simple using this little gauge here. So this is a 12 gauge wire. So if I go to the 12 gauge thing and go like this and pull it, it strips it. So these are the spring-loaded HARDELL wire strippers. Very nice. They feel really good. They don't have any like back and forth flex, you know, like some do. Yeah, I don't feel much in there or any. And they do feel really good in my hands, actually. These are big enough, but not overly big. I don't like when the handles are like overly big, but I like them. I don't like them when they're overly small. So I just like these. These are perfectly balanced. I was very impressed. These feel like a very high-end set of pliers. I think they did a good job here. Good job.